Hello guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. So happy Wednesday. It is Wednesday. It's time for lunch and I thought I would start filming because I'm gonna make a new recipe today. I saw this recipe from the couple's cookbook. Let me show you. And it is for fresh Thai spring rolls with a peanut dipping sauce. This is the cookbook, the couple's cookbook. Thought I'd bring you around for the process. So let's get our mise en place. I am French, which is all our stuff in place so that it's very easy to cook. So let's do that. Oh, I need, okay, so there's like the spring rolls and there's the dipping sauce. And for the dipping sauce, I need peanut butter, which I have the Smucker's Natural peanut butter, 1 cup of coconut milk. I don't have coconut milk. I have a can of coconut cream. Anybody else use this to reach things? Oh, I do have a can of coconut milk. Okay. Oh, I can't get it. Dan, stop watching. He hates when I do this. I do have a coconut milk can. So, yum. I'm really excited. I have an ice cream maker and I've been wanting to make ice cream with this. Maybe I'll do that soon. Okay. Then coconut milk, peanut butter, soy sauce, lime, only 1, hot sauce, water, garlic. I like Cholula. That's my fave. Water, garlic. Now for the spring rolls, we need rice paper wrappers. Boom. Thai basil. Don't have it. Mint. Don't have it. I think I'm gonna like mix it up with the filling because I don't have cabbage. Mint, Thai basil, butter, lettuce. Okay, I don't have anything. But let's see what I can put in there. Let me like look at my peas. Oh, carrot, cucumber, and kale. Maybe some apple. That could be nice. Maybe a jalapeno. I also have some Japanese mayo. That could be good. And I have a few pickled onions that I made. So we're gonna wing it a little bit. I'm gonna read my recipes, study up, see how I do this. Okay, we're gonna start with the dipping sauce. So to make the dipping sauce, whisk together the peanut butter, coconut milk, soy sauce, lime juice, garlic, hot sauce, and water until smooth and well blended. To making the spring rolls. Set the rice paper wrappers alongside a large shallow bowl filled with lukewarm water. I'm going to use a plate. Prepare and arrange the remaining ingredients in separate dishes in an assembly line fashion. Working one at a time, dip a rice paper wrapper into the water for about 5 seconds, then lift, letting the excess water drip back into the bowl. Place the wrapper on a clean, dry work surface and begin filling by placing a few Thai basil leaves, mint leaves, or, in my opinion, whatever I have, in the middle. Gently holding the filling ingredients in place, fold the bottom of the rice paper wrapper over the ingredients and press down to create a seal. Fold in both sides of the wrapper so the ends of the filling are tucked in, and continue to gently roll as tightly as possible. Place the assembled roll seam side down on a serving dish. Continue to assemble each roll, making sure to leave space in between so they do not stick together. To serve, use a sharp knife, cut them in half, serve with the dipping sauce. Okay, taste test. Here it is. Not the best, but we'll see. Oh. Alright, it just fell apart. It's fine. Not bad. I need to work on my technique, but not bad.